it's Diane and Willett. How are you today? Today we're making beef stroganoff and you're going to love it. Alright, first thing we do, 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. And this is what I got here is filet mignon. I put salt and pepper on here and we're going to sear it in the pan. Get it very hot. Put it up a little bit here. Got it sear, and then you're going to take it right out. One sec. Delicious filet mignon. Put it all in there. Cook. Remember, we're just going to sear it, and then we're going to take it right out. And then we're going to make the sauce, so on and so forth. Here are the buttered noodles. I boiled up the noodles. I put a little bit of butter in there, 2 tablespoons of butter, and that's all ready to go. Put this on hot. All right. Just sear it. Delicious dish. This is filet mignon. It was very, very expensive. A couple of steaks, 30 bucks. But I mean, the others are not like nice and tender. Salt and pepper, cut it up in strips like this, and sear it. So let this cook. As soon as it gets brown, we're going to put it in another dish. And we're going to start making the sauce. Put it on high to sear it. And make sure the meat is nice and tender, you know. Of course, you can use another type of meat, chuck roast. Cut that up if you like. But this is, for me, this is the best meat to use. See how it's getting nice and brown here? Sure it's all seared good. Smells good. Just a little bit of olive oil, 2 tablespoons salt and pepper. And sear it. I got shiitake mushrooms that I bought for this meal. It's going to be delicious. Heavy cream, sour cream, beef broth. Come out delish. As soon as it gets all cooked. Make sure this stays tender, so put this on high. Alright, keep it right out. it. Smells delicious. Alright, now, oops. Alright, boom. Now, butter. Got everything here. Just tablespoons of butter. Melt that. A lot of work making the sauce. Here, show them making the sauce now, okay? And butter. Melt the butter. And with the butter, half of an onion. There we go. Finely chopped. Okay. Stirring it. And what else do I have here? 1 clove of garlic, chopped, put it in there. A lot of ingredients. And to cook. And then the mushrooms. Let that cook. What we do next is a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I think I pronounced it correct. Half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, just for taste. The recipe will be at the bottom of the video. Cook that down good. Alright. You can get any mushrooms you like. I got shiitake mushrooms. You can plain mushrooms, whatever you like. Depends on what you like. And run along. Now what we're going to do is a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This is to thicken everything. Put it in there. Now cook that flour down so it doesn't have flour taste. Keep stirring it. We're making a nice sauce here. Get rid of that flour taste by cooking everything down. Stirring it, stirring it. Come out delicious. got to see what's next. Oh, all right. Soon we're going to put in beef broth, okay? Cup of beef broth. It's got to cook down. Let me get it. Oh, where is the beef broth? Here we go. Cup of beef broth. Cook it down. This is the beginning of the sauce now. Next is, I think it's the heavy cream. 1 minute. 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Okay. Oops. Okay, let that cook. Got to cook down. Just make sure you prepare all the ingredients before you start cooking, because everything goes fast and you have to have everything all laid out. All right. A little bit of pepper here. A little bit of salt. I use the Himalaya salt, it's good. And let that cook. And sour cream. How much sour cream do I need? I think it's about 1/4 cup of sour cream. So what we're going to do, this is the 1/4 cup, but you got to temper it, which means you got to take a little bit of the sauce and put it in here so it doesn't curdle, the sour cream. Okay? A little bit more in there. Stir it around. Right, now add it to the sauce. Let it cook. This has to cook down. Now this is the sauce. This is the essence of the sauce. The nice cream and everything, but remember it's got to cook down. It's not hard to make. Next, we add the beef back with all the juices and everything. Put it right back in the sauce. Let this cook. Make sure everything gets nice and soft. Look how delicious that looks. Let that cook. Let me just clean up here a minute. Messy, you know. It'll cook. And what we're going to do is we're going to simmer it now. Here you go, see? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simmer this on low for about a half an hour. So because I'm showing you how to do this, I'm just going to take a little bit of the noodles, a little bit of the sauce, and 1 piece of meat, and I'm going to taste it. So you'll see when it comes out, but I'm cooking it some more. that's the whole dish right here. So first thing we do, take a little bit of noodles. These are buttered noodles. See? A little bit of the sauce. And a piece of meat. Okay, like that. And then I'm cooking this down for about a half an hour. Alright, now let me get a fork and a knife, and I'll show you what it tastes like. Let's see. Remember, it's hot like hell. Let's try it. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Alright. I'm letting it simmer for a half an hour, but this is how you make beef stroganoff. I hope you enjoy this. Make this for your family. And one more thing I forgot was the parsley. A little parsley here. I'm going to put a little parsley on here, but I'm not done yet, so put it right here. Put parsley on here or chives. Oops, whatever you like. Alright. So I'll see you next week with another delicious recipe. Bye-bye.